Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up recurring payment on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find create a new site. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once you're here, go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, go all the way down and click on edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the editor for Wix. So just wait for this page to load. And once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly marketing and SEO. So right now, go to add apps and then make sure you click on app market. And then once you're here, go to the search bar and search for pricing plans. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then go ahead and click on Wix pricing plans. Go ahead and click on this option. In order to add this application, go ahead and click on add to site. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, right now the application is being added to Wix. So just wait for it to load. And once it's finished, this is how it would look like, and you can customize it as you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.